Okay, this is a quick tutorial on using QuickTime. This Thursday we have a rough draft due of your screencast, and you're like, well, how do I make a screencast? Well, we're going to use QuickTime to do that. So use your keyboard shortcut, and you can do Command Spacebar, and we can start typing in the word quick. And it'll already show. You don't even have to spell the whole word. And if you look here, under Applications, there is the QuickTime Player. Just select that. And you're like, well, nothing open. Where did it go? Well, actually it did open. So if you remember in the Mac, the top left shows you the application that you're running, and see where it says QuickTime Player? So it actually is open, but we have to do File, and it'll give you three choices: New Movie, Audio, or Screen Recorded. A movie will activate your laptop's camera and it will film yourself. Audio will just capture your voice, and screen will capture what's going on your screen. So we're going to hit Screen Recording, and you'll see this little window pop up here. And we are going to hit the red button that stands for record, and then it's going to pop up in the middle of your screen a message saying, do you click to record the full screen or drag to record part of the screen? We're going to record the entire screen, so I'm just going to left click on the screen anywhere, and it's going to start recording. You see here that the red button went away and you have a square black stop button. So we are actually recording our screen, and so now we can do something. So if we want to show show off some of our computer skills, and we want to say, let's show how do we access our Gmail. Well, go up here, click on the G, and click on Gmail. Gmail will open, and this is how I access my Gmail account. And now we want to say, hey, I know how to open up Google Calendar. Right here it says Calendar. So if I click on Calendar, there it goes. Google Calendar is open up. And if you can always click anywhere on the date, like here, and you can add a new event. So I'm showing off my computer skills. So now when you're done recording, go back up to the screen recording here and hit stop. And it will stop the recording, and a QuickTime window will open up. And this is actually the movie that you just recorded. So if I was to hit play, the red button went away and you have it will start playing that movie. Now if you want to save this, because we're going to have to save this as a movie file and you're going to have to send it to me in an Echo, you can go up to the top and you can hit File and you can hit Export, or another way to save it is if you just hit the red button to close the window, it's going to pop up saying, hey, do you want to save this? Do you want to save changes made to this document? You say sure, and you can name it whatever you want. It's already highlighted there. I will name it Screen Test 1. How about that? I'm going to name it Screen Test 1. I'm going to choose to save it to my desktop, and the format, it can be a movie. Save a movie file. If you want to do it in higher definition, you have 1080p and 720p. I would stick probably around 720p. That's real good quality for this. And then you hit save, and right here it's going to start exporting your movie, and when it's done it will be wherever you chose to save it to, and where I chose it to save it is the desktop. So I'm going to look at my desktop. I'll pull up my Finder window here and I'll go to my desktop, and there it goes, Screen Test 1. There's my movie, and that is the file that you will upload to me on Thursday when you actually do a rough draft of your screencast, showcasing the computer skills that you have learned so far. That's how you use QuickTime to make a screen capture.